This is the wise owl to coming at you from the city where I live. Chemistry, the periodic table of elements, chemical symbols, and atomic number and atomic mass from the periodic table of elements in chemistry. For years, we tried to look for ways to remember all these numbers and decimal points and chemical symbols. A lot of things to remember these things. We try to look for pneumatic devices to remember these chemical symbols and everything. Me, I just study many years, different ways myself, and when I come up with something that I know will help me out, I keep that in mind. But now, if I keep all this in mind, I must well share with other people. For example, you, all you out there. So let's talk about the chemical symbol of gallium. Gallium, capital Gallium. Gallium is a chemical element with the chemical symbol of capital G and a small a, Ga, and atomic number of 31, and the atomic mass. I gotta put AM, mass. Okay, mass, atomic mass of 69.72. Okay, gallium is a soft, silvery metal at standard temperature and pressure, but in liquid state it becomes a silvery white. Okay, now if you go have gallium, if you see gallium in a solid state, in its pure solid state, it's going to be more bluish. I'm not going to explain that to you now. Just this is good enough for now. Here is a word to help you remember. A word to remember that Ga, capital G and small a, is the chemical symbol for gallium, and that's gas. Gas, capital G, a small a, and a large S. Capital G and small a is for gallium. Right here, see gallium? And a large S is for sulfur. See, S, capital S for sulfur, Sulfur. Now, sulfur is 16 atomic number, while gallium is 31, as I mentioned up here. Okay, right here, it's 31. There's a good word to remember gallium, gas. But let's say we're going to build on the word gas. Let's use the word gas for now. So you can remember gas is 31 and 16. Gallium and sulfur, right? Okay, let's continue from there. We are going to build some other chemicals, symbols from the word gas. We got GAS, 3116, okay? Then we put S, so we could put an O after the S, which is 8 for oxygen. So now we have 3116, and we have an 8. All we did was add the O. Then we have to add the lean for gasoline. So we got 31, 16, 8, and a 3 for capital Li for lithium. That's a 3 atomic number. And a capital N and small e for neon, which is a noble gas. And that's a 10, atomic number of 10. Okay, so here has it work. We got 3116. Then we got 3116, 8. And then we got 3116, 8, 3, and 10. You understand what I did here? So this is a simple way to remember how to write it down. You see, I just spelled the word and added to the word. And talk about gasoline. Gas, gasoline. And this is how you got, and then you learn how to do your chemical symbols from there. So you got gallium, 31, okay? So you remember gallium, okay? All right, and this is how you spell the word, all the chemical symbols. Ga is for gallium, capital S is for sulfur, capital O is for oxygen, capital capital L and a small I for lithium, capital N and a small e for neon, which is a noble gas. All right, I'm going to try to put this down on the periodic table below if my phone is not busted. I'll be having trouble with the description box below. So I'm going to put this in the description box below. I want to try to put it down again. But here's a picture of everything here so you understand. See how it looks? And see the side? Just in case. All right? Okay. See if I can get a better picture here. That's the best I can do. Right? This wire is out too, coming out too from the sea where I live. Over and out.